Respected parents, teachers, dear children, good morning to you all. Today is September 1st, 2021. Kendriya Vidyalaya Pangod is announcing the launch of Swachhta Pakhwada. As we all know, Swachh Bharat Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India Mission is a countrywide campaign launched by the government of India on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, that was on October 2nd, 2014, to eliminate open defecation and improve solid waste management. The mission is noted as the world's largest sanitation program. It claimed to have provided millions of people access to toilet and brought about a change of behavior towards its usage. Swachhta Pakhwada is a familiar name to all KVNs. It started in April 2016 with the objective of bringing a fortnight of intense focus on the issues and practices of Swachhta by engaging various institutions, departments, etc. KV Pangod observes Swachhta Pakhwada 2021 from September 1 to 15 with several programs to raise awareness on cleanliness in the society. As a responsible citizen of this great nation, it is our responsibility to take utmost effort for mobilizing people participation and to ensure that the mission truly become a citizens' movement. The 15-day program is undertaken under the Swachh Bharat mission of the Government of India and as per the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Keeping in mind the ongoing COVID-19 protocols, definitely we are not able to take up the activities in full swing, but various activities are planned during this fortnight, which include display of banners or posters conveying Swachhta message at prominent places, including our notice board, organizing workshop on Swachhta, organizing debate on cleaning and hygiene among the students, painting competitions on cleanliness among students, etc. Special cleanliness drives are planned during this week. The main purpose of this program is to create awareness among our students about the need and importance of clean environment. It is the prime duty of every citizen to keep their surrounding clean and healthy. By organizing such events, every citizen of India will have an understanding about their responsibility of ensuring cleanliness and be more motivated to join hands together to make the initiative a successful mission. I'm very sure that my kids will take part in all the competitions conducted under this banner and prove that KVNs are also keeping the spirit of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Thank you.